Greek yogurt originated in parts of Europe, hundreds of years ago, where widely available cow and goat milk were first fermented to prolong shelf life. This type of yogurt is made by combining milk and live cultures, bacteria, then straining the mixture through a filter to remove the liquid whey that naturally occurs in milk. Today's video will discuss what is the difference between Greek yogurt and regular yogurt. Whey is normally left over when milk curdles. Straining also removes some of the lactose sugars, salt, and water, which is why Greek yogurt is thicker and higher in protein than standard yogurts, but also usually lower in sugar and carbohydrates. Today, many yogurts that claim to be Greek style don't follow traditional methods, and instead take shortcuts, like adding thickening agents, such as condensed milk, cornstarch, carrageenan, or gelatin. In fact, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration doesn't regulate the term Greek style, so this actually means practically nothing when it comes to ingredients or preparation. Potential benefits. Why is Greek yogurt good for you? Let's look more closely at the potential benefits of consuming this type of yogurt. 1. Excellent source of probiotics. Yogurt is one of the most popular probiotic foods in the world. Probiotic yogurt is fermented, and has been a time-honored food for thousands of years. 2. High in calcium, and supports bone health. Yogurt is an excellent source of calcium, which helps strengthen and maintain bone mass. 3. Good source of protein. Although all milk products provide some protein, the way in which Greek yogurt is made makes it especially high in protein. 4. Provides potassium and magnesium for heart health. Adequate potassium intake, including from dairy products, can play a major role in regulating blood pressure levels. What do you think of this important information? Let me know in the comments section below.